Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. I'm just back with a little tip on how you can turn people who like your posts into people who like your page. Now, basically, this is a pretty simple process. First of all, when you're on your browser, what you want to do is you want to go and you want to switch to your restaurant profile. So we'll go to see all profiles like this. We scroll down through the billions of pages that I have. You probably won't have that many pages. And basically what this will do is it will re-log in on the page's account, so it will allow me to actually interact as the page rather than as my personal account. So what I do is I click on the little button by the likes with the number on it, and I just invite people. And usually Miseria is really good at making sure everyone's invited to the page, but it's always good to invite people who like your products and who like the posts which you've got, because the thing is, if they've liked one thing, they're probably going to like something else, and this way you can help grow your audience. And since I showed them how to do this, Miseria has grown absolutely fantastically from a page which didn't really have all that much to having a huge ton of people following it now. They've got 1.2k likes, and that's gone up considerably since last year. But if you keep doing this and you do it religiously, it does work better for restaurant pages and pages where you can put out a lot of visuals and really nice looking posts. It's really good to do this, because even though not everybody will accept the invites that you put out on the page, that doesn't matter, because what you're doing is you're increasing your potential audience. And if someone likes one post and they're actually interacting with your posts, there's a good chance that if they do like your page, they'll start interacting with other posts, which will mean that when your posts go out to other people, because usually only about 3 to 5% of people on a page will actually see the post if it's not got any interactions. But the more people who see that post, the better off it does. So if you've got people who actually like your content, and they're sort of interested in it, when they like more of your content, you're more likely to get people who watch your page regularly to actually see it. So it's got a higher chance of performing, and performing at a high rate. So anyway, I hope this little tip's been helpful. If you're ever in Colchester, pop down and just say Alex sent you. They'll look after you. Basically, yeah, it's a really good it's a really good strategy for getting people to like your page and content. Because if you see all of these little notices with following, these people are all following the page, and the more basically just we just keep this cycling again and again and again. We go through and do it. I'm going to have to go and kick their tail soon, because they haven't been inviting as many people as they could. So anyway, you have a fantastic day, and I hope you do well in business.